Eagle Manufacturing is a student-run manufacturing and graphics business housed in Brown County High School here in Nashville, Indiana. We offer products and services in two key areas. Manufacturing engineering is one, and then graphics is another. So our manufacturing department offers CNC machining services, as well as CNC plasma and CNC router services. Our engineering department does prototyping, as well as reverse engineering and 3D printing services for our customers. Our graphics department offers promotional products from apparel to banners and signage, pretty much anything that you would need to promote a business. Prior to ProShop, all of our work was basically done with Google Sheets and Google Docs, and it worked okay, but it was pretty chaotic at times. And after we implemented ProShop, we were able to consolidate everything we do within ProShop, and it has made us a lot more efficient in our day-to-day activities.
One of my favorite things about ProShop is how fast and easy it is to use, how fast it is to see what's going on in the shop itself without having to go around and ask everyone what is going on. You look at ProShop and you see everything right there.
ProShop enables us to spend a lot less time managing projects and allows us to get more jobs through the door, and it's helped a lot. We truly do love it.
ProShop has helped with seeing how organized things can be and how much easier things can be without losing papers or getting them dirty or damaged.
Shout out to ProShop for seeing that there is such a way to be so organized, because it is seriously the easiest thing to use.
ProShop has had a tremendous impact on Eagle Manufacturing. It's allowed us to bring more students in the door and allow more students to participate, and also reduce the amount of time that I'd have to spend on managing day-to-day operations, and that just gives me peace of mind and is a lot less stressful than it used to be.
I love ProShop. It's made things a whole lot easier and helped me see how efficient a business can be if they implement a certain thing properly.
Because of working in Eagle Manufacturing and using ProShop, I have experienced a lot of what a business should actually be ran and how it should actually be organized and working, because I've seen where the errors can come in without the proper use of ProShop.
ProShop is definitely one of the best experiences I've had, and we're just more well-rounded with this experience.
My name is Chris Townsend, and Eagle Manufacturing is powered by ProShop.